Ang nice ng airport ng Bangkok actually. Maliwalas. Ayan, pasok na tayo sa international departures. So we guys survived the immigration. Napaka-efficient ng immigration nila guys kasi scan na lang ng passport, boarding pass. So chinek pa isang beses pa yung boarding pass. We're home, we're back in the Philippines. So we had the time of our lives in Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Grabe yung trip na yun, nakaka-proud. So guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Kapkun Krap from, Sawadee Krap. Sawadee Krap from Bangkok, Thailand. This is Dave the Pulipo Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa hostel natin. Paalis na tayo guys. We stayed sa private stay hostel in the heart of Bangkok. Nasa Pratunam area siya, which I think a good location for accommodation. And we're going home. Okay, we're going home. It's been a 10-day Indochina trip. Sulit kasi with friends and we had good experiences, good destinations, breathtaking landscapes na nakita natin. Ayun, so for this video, isa-share ko sa inyo yung maging process namin from here Bangkok to Manila. Ngayon pauwi na kami. So if you guys will travel abroad in the Philippines, you can book your hotels and activities via Klook and use my promo code DPNOKLOOK para maka-discount kayo. Okay? So, okay, tayo nag-aabang ma-interview. Ano to yung best part of the trip?
Massage.
Seryoso, massage? Okay. In Thailand? Kapkun Kap! See you next time. We'll be here again. Yes. I love it. Bye-bye! We'll miss you, Kapkun Kap! Finally, at the airport, Suvarnabhumi. Spell Suvarnabhumi, guys. Charing. Dito na tayo. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Bangkok. Alright, since nag-online check-in na tayo, guys, magbabagdap na lang. And then all good. Ang nice ng airport ng Bangkok actually. Maliwalas. Again, compared sa Manila. And ramdam mo yung Thainess ng airport because of some elements around. Sharing. Delayed ang aming flight ng 40 minutes. So, kailangan lang naman talaga natin dito ay passport. Okay? And boarding pass. Kukunin natin dito. Pero meron na tayong boarding pass kasi nag-online check-in na tayo, guys. Ayan, pasok na tayo sa international departures. I think, ini-scan yung mga dala natin. Yung pass lang, guys, yung ini-scan pagpasok dito. Sa first entry natin to international departures. Magdadrive ako hanggang... What's this? Oh, okay. May discount. May pa-coupon. So we guys survived the immigration. Napaka-efficient ng immigration nila guys kasi ano na lang, tawag dito, the machine. Ano na lang, scan na lang ng passport, boarding pass. So yun, ito ng ating, papunta na tayo sa gate guys. Ganda. I really love the airport, although it's not as top-notch as the Hong Kong, the Seoul, pero this one, ang aliwalas. Tingnan ng kanilang airport. Guys, hinay ka mo practice lang kung OFW na tayo. Ganito pala ang feeling.
Hindi ka naman makakapasok dito. Tayo ang foreigners dito.
Daming shop sa loob, mga kainan. So don't you worry, kapag nakalagpas na kayo ng immigration or check-in counter, marami pa kayong pwedeng tingnan, makainan, bilhan dito sa loob. Robot to. Hello! Iwasan niya kaya ako. Yes! Saya naman. Ito, 110 baht. Since meron tayong passport. Since meron tayong coupon, 10 baht na lang siya. Great! Guys, itong coupon, 100 baht. So, kung makakita kayo ng 105, for example, ito, 100 baht na coupon. So, kung makita kayo ng 105 baht or 110 baht, edi 10 na lang babayaran ninyo. Diba? Naka-king power pa kayo. Final call for boarding na pala kami. Oo. Ayun, no? Final call na. Tara. Let's go. Kasi mahaba pa yung pila. Multiple checking of passport and boarding pass, guys. And passport and boarding pass lang talaga yung need. Sa Pilipinas, kailangan din yung e-travel. So, mag-register na kayo dito pa lang sa airport ng e-travel. Okay? Or sa ano nyo, like 3 days before naman, 3 days within your flight. Tama ba? 3 days prior to your trip, pwede na kayo mag-register sa e-travel. Details lang naman yan nung hiningi sa inyo. Details of your destination, ganyan, yung flight details. I think included din yung health status. So, yeah. So, chinek pa isang beses pa yung boarding pass. Ito ating malaking aeroplano, guys. Guys, Pilipinas na talaga. Huwag na tayo makipagsabayan. It's an Armageddon. Tama ba?
Correct.
It's chaos here. Kaya niyan, kaya niyan. Fourth country, the Philippines.
Asian leg. China.
The last leg of our Indo-China. Asian trip. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Again, guys, when we arrive, ito e-travel. You scan this or go to the website and then fill it out. Kailangan nyo ng account, guys. Okay? Alright, past immigration. Ano lang naman, passport. Doon kami sa banda ng ano. Doon kami sa may immigration officer talaga para may tatak. And sabi niya sa akin, Dave, picture. Hindi ko kinilig ako sa moment na yon. Kasi first name basis, so sabi ko sa kanya, thank you po sa first name basis. Minsan lang immigration officer na tatawagan akong Dave. Sorry. So ayan, Pilipinas. Eh, shucks, nandun yung crush kong cabin crew. So yung may crush na cabin crew. Makita ka. Guys, lesson learned. Pag mangganyang maleta, lagyan yun ng ribbon or kung ano-ano pang palatandaan. Kasi ang dami niyang kamukha. Lalo na yung mga namali sa Pratunam Night Market. Ayan guys, we're home. We're back in the Philippines. So we had the time of our lives in Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Grabe yung trip na yun, nakaka-proud. Kasi na-survive natin mag-cross-country travel. I thought before mahirap siya. Ano lang talaga, preparation and research, and then you'll survive. I'll upload videos of our journey. So, I hope maka-help itong videos na ito. So, sana maulit ito with our friends. Itong travel with our friends. Kasi therapeutic siya, nakaka-re-energize. And then, healing. Ano siya, ang dami nating natututunan about the world, about ourselves, and about other people as well. So guys, this is Dave. Yan ang ating naging journey from Bangkok here to Manila. Passport lang naman, boarding pass at e-travel, solved ka na. This is Dave, the Kripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!